Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. This is the up-to-date 2024 guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to receive an email the moment someone fills out a form on your website, helping you stay instantly connected with your visitors, leads, or customers. If you want to make sure you never miss a form submission, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's make sure your form is actually working and ready to collect data. If you haven't already, submit a quick test form on your published site, just a sample entry with some basic info. This step isn't just a formality, it verifies that Webflow is properly processing your form submissions in the background. If anything's not working yet, or you don't see your test submission appear on your Webflow dashboard later, pause here and double-check your form settings and publish it again before moving forward. It's always better to catch small issues now than down the line. Assuming your form submits are working, head over to your Webflow dashboard and select the site you want to set up notifications for. Now click into Site Settings. This is really your command center for all the background features of your site. Once you're in, look for the Forms tab. It's usually tucked along the top with the rest of your site management tools. Inside the Forms section, you'll see an area called Form Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Here you can configure who gets notified when a user submits a form through your site and what the notification looks like. Take your time here. You'll see options to add one or more email addresses. This is perfect if you have a team. Maybe you want to notify both yourself and a colleague or forward leads directly to your sales department. Once you're in the notification settings, make sure the notification toggle is switched on. It's easy to miss this step, but turning on notifications ensures that Webflow actually sends out an email when a form submits. Think of this like making sure your porch light is on before expecting guests. If it's off, you just won't know someone came by. Next, you'll spot an option labeled Form Submission Count. I definitely recommend turning this on if you want to keep track of how many submissions you've received right from the notifications themselves. It's a small detail that can make staying organized a lot easier, especially if you're monitoring lead flow over time. Now in the fields for adding details, you can customize the message however suits you and your workflow. Maybe you want the subject line to say New Contact Request, or perhaps you want to include information about which form was submitted. Totally up to you. Don't stress too much about getting it perfect the first time. You can always tweak these settings later as you see what works best for your needs. Once everything looks ready, hit Save. That's it. Your Webflow forms will now send email alerts every time someone submits a response, keeping you connected without having to constantly check your dashboard. If this walkthrough was helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or run into any tricky spots while setting up your notifications, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more web design and Webflow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.